Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all really well. So today's another haul video. So I got sent a pretty huge box of makeup from the brand nip&fab. They sell it in Superdrug, so they've sent me a huge box, which is really exciting. I want to share that with you, show you what they've sent me, and do some swatches as well for you. So I will be doing a tutorial makeup Halloween look with all this stuff, so that's coming up as well, but it could be in a separate video. So, the box of goods. So this is what they sent me. So many things. You've sent me loads of foundation colours, eyeshadow palette, highlighter palette, contour palette, powders, contour sticks, some liquid lipsticks, basically everything. So I'm going to go through them and show you what's in here. So firstly, they've sent me about 10 or 11 different foundations. So these are the nip&fab foundations. I'm going to insert a swatch clip now. Just if you're interested in this foundation, then you can kind of see what colour you might be. I actually really like the packaging. They do a white shade as well, which is really cool. Like, I use Illamasqua skin-based foundation in white, which is probably a lot more expensive. Well, it is a lot more expensive than this. The Illamasqua one I think is about £30, but I'm not 100%, and these are I think £13–14. So the white's really cool for, like, obviously doing like Halloween looks, or if you want to mix your foundation. Sometimes you're a bit paler and it's good to add a few drops of white foundation. And then the first thing that caught my eye was this nip&fab eyeshadow palette and it's called number 2 Fired Up, and I just think it's so autumnal. It's so nice. Look at the colours. So this is going to be like the main inspiration for my Halloween tutorial that I do for them, because I just love this mix of colours. I'm going to insert some swatches now. They also sent me the contour palette, which is number 2 medium. I mean, I think it's possibly slightly too dark for my skin. I mean, I can use the darker shades, but the light shades are probably not light enough for me. But I'll test it out anyway, and I'm definitely going to use it for this makeup tutorial I'm going to do. And I will insert some swatches of the colours. And then the other palette they've sent me is this beautiful weightless strobing quad. I'll insert the swatches, but I might just show you actually. It's like powder, but it's very creamy. It's like extremely creamy. And some of these ones are like duochromatic, which is really nice, so they shine different colours. But yeah, beautiful. Also, I just want to say I really like the names of the products. Like, these ones are called Flux, Altitude, Eclipse and Luna, which I thought were really nice names. These ones on the contour palette, it's Aspen, Rose Honey, Walnut, Amber, Truffle and Warm Ivory. It's just such nice names. And the eyeshadow palette, Fudge, Cocoa, Purple Smoke, Amethyst, Celestial, Saffron, Coppered Red, Bird, Fire Breather, Brick, Toffee, Dawn and Cinnamon. How nice, the names. Okay. And then I haven't opened these yet, but they've sent me 4 lip toppers, which look really cool. They've sent me some colour correcting concealer, which I actually need. Like, I've got quite bad dark eye bags. Definitely try those out. Sent me the setting powder, classic. Also a white concealer, which is quite cool, which I can definitely use for like a Halloween look as well. They've sent me liquid gold and liquid blush. Sent me a black and a nude eyeliner, Fix Stick blush, and a medium sculpt, like contour stick, which is cool because I actually need that. And then last but not least, they sent me 2 matte liquid lipsticks in the shades Cool Mint and Blueberry Sorbet. So one is blue and one is green, which is really cool. And I will insert swatches of them when they've dried down. They're really like strong colours, they're really cool. So that is everything from all my new goodies. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'm now going to go and film a creative Halloween tutorial using these products. So thank you for watching and happy Halloween. Bye!